Alright, in this video, let's talk about money laundering. So, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng money laundering? Money laundering is a crime. As mentioned in Republic Act 9160 or Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2001. Okay? Number 2, it is a procedure, it is a process where a money came from illegal turns into a legal one. Money came from an illicit turns into illicit one. Okay? Or it is a conversion of dirty money into a clean money. Okay? So, ito yung proseso para linisin ang pera o paglaban ng pera. Now, sa anong pamaraan? In three process. Number 1 is placement. Number 2 is layering. Number 3 is integration. Kapag sinabing placement, ito yung paglagat ng illegal na pera ipinasok sa mga financial institution like mga bangko. Okay? So there are two types of placement. Yung tinawag na smurfing at yung tinawag na immersion. Okay? Now, number 2 is layering. Kapag sinabi